Hey everyone, William Shekel from Chambers Rescue here, and I just want to take a minute to say thank you. As you know, back in September, Hurricane Ida destroyed a third of our home. My office, our family room, countless collectibles, structural work, all was completely destroyed. We had to spend 4 solid months rebuilding and shoveling away so many things that were incredibly important, but then scrambling to rescue the structure of the house, mold, all these things we had to battle. And the only way we made it through was because of you, each and every one of you who commented, sent emails, who contributed on GoFundMe, set up the GoFundMe drive, spread the word. All of it mattered immensely. You saved our home, and quite frankly, you saved us. I'm a firm believer in community. That's why I do what I do and the way I do it. I think that we can accomplish great things when we stick together and don't let silly things divide us. Communities are the most important thing we have as people, and I've been teaching that for my entire career. And you just proved me right. To say it is one thing, to feel it is something completely different. Each and every one of you had a massive contribution. And even if you just think, oh, I just sent you a comment, it was huge to us. To know we weren't alone in a time like that mattered greatly. So I'm back at work now. Stoves are rolling out back into kitchens, back into new homes. That's the direction we want to see them go. But before I get too caught up in all those missed deadlines from the past several months, I wanted to take a minute and just say how much it really meant. We never know really the impact that we have on each other, but I do want to let you know that from the bottom of our hearts, we are truly grateful. Thanks, and I'll see you soon on the Chambers Rescue channel.